It's going westbound on D Drive North between Beetle Lake Road and 6.5 Mile Road. In the eastbound lane, you can see several potholes going this entire way. In this westbound lane, we're headed over some now. Here's more on both sides of the road at the same parallel. And another, and more. And here we're getting toward a bridge, which not only are there potholes, additionally, the bridge is collapsing. It's caving in. And they've placed a cone there, which is falling in as well. If we continue going westbound, there's still more potholes. We have to go very slow. We're going to let someone go around us because, again, traffic has to creep. There's more severe potholes in the eastbound lane. And again, more in the west. You've got to drive in the middle to avoid these. This right here is ridiculous. There's so many potholes. You must drive in the center unless you're going to bend your rim on an incline. Exactly. See, the car in front of us is driving in the center, of course, because they have to. See all these dozens and dozens of potholes throughout the entirety of this road.
Behind me, I gotta let them go.
But again, look at that car driving down the center
Have to.
and significantly under the speed limit, which is 45, which is pretty darn fast for this road, even if it weren't pothole ridden. Again, significant potholes in the east side lane and here in the west side lane. East. Again, we're westbound, but you can see potholes on both sides of the road. Here's a nice deep one. And often when you try to avoid, for instance, right here, one of those potholes, you always hit one, there's no way to avoid it.
Even going down the middle.
And there's no shoulder.
Trees on one side, mailboxes on the other.
Continuing westbound, and you can see these significant potholes on both sides of the road.
There's like no road surface left over
There's
here.
not. And we haven't even driven a mile.
Going about 5
And this is Lady Jessica Isle. As we continue up this incline, and it's a pretty steep curve, there are more potholes, and it's kind of a blind curve, and people go fairly quickly up here because there are less potholes up here for now, until we get closer to 6.5 Mile Road. More potholes, more on both sides of the road, more significantly on the eastbound side at this point.
Yeah, the whole shoulder of the road is just.
We know this is bumpy video quality, but it can't be helped on this road unless we had high-end equipment to stabilize it.
Even still, I've not gone faster than 25 miles
Right.
an hour.
And here we are, almost at 6.5 Mile Road, and we've got serious, it extends almost that entire westbound side of the road.